Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI Assistant in Lead Center to quickly draft an email. When you open a contact record, click on AI Assistant here, click Email Assistant. So that will open the email composer and the Ask AI will be open on top. I can use any of those prompts to draft an email quickly, or I can type what kind of email that I need in here and click on that button. For Lead Now, I will just click Follow Up on Investment Proposal. So now Lead Center is using the AI model to generate the email. The email got generated. The cool thing about using Lead Center is that it will automatically include the short codes that can be used to insert actual data from when you are sending this email, and it automatically included, for example, here it included the scheduler calendar link. You can tell it place scheduler link with contact owner link, hit enter, and now it will replace the scheduler link owner link, and now I can hit this button to copy the content into this email. I can modify it, modify the formatting, and then hit send. So this is how we can use AI to quickly draft emails in Lead Center. Thank you.